everyone, welcome back to my channel Karavalikampu. Today we are bringing you a delightful recipe that combines the goodness of fresh palak with the richness of creamy coconut milk and the nutty texture of the cashews. If you are looking for a cozy meal on a rainy day, then this recipe is a must try. Let's jump right in and see how to make this comforting bowl of goodness. These are the ingredients I have used for this recipe. Take one bunch of freshly cleaned spinach and blanch it in a boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it out and let it cool down to the room temperature. Heat a butter in a pan over a medium heat. Add minced garlic, few cashew nuts, and chopped onion. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes until the onion turns translucent and garlic is fragrant. Now it's done. Allow it to cool down to the room temperature and then transfer this mixture to the blender and add palak too. Grind into fine puree. Add butter to the same pan over a medium heat. Add puree into a pan and stir well for a minute. Now it's time to add a coconut milk. It gives the soup creamy texture and super taste. As we are using a coconut milk here, this is perfect for those with the lactose intolerance and vegan preferences. Taste the soup and adjust the salt as needed. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes, allowing all the flavors to melt together. Now turn off the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Now our healthy, nutritious, creamy palak soup is ready. Here are few tips. Adjust the amount of coconut milk to make the soup thicker or thinner. And for any variation, you can add pinch of cumin powder pepper powder, or a squeeze of lemon juice to enhance the flavor. I hope you like this recipe and I'm sure this ticks your healthy meal option. For more such recipes, please do like, share and comment. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your soup and see you next time.